Hello. Where's the doorbell at? Is it out there?
Yeah.
Ah, there it is. Right there. Did you hear it?
I did.
Okay. All right. All right, this is 11.
700.
700. Family infinite balcony.
Yeah.
Family infinity balcony.
Family infinity balcony. So should I do this first?
Yeah, why not? Here, we'll start here at the controls.
Obviously, you could switch like the temperature in the room right here. You also have different settings for your light. Right now it's at full blast. You can dim it a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it takes a minute. And now they're turning off. But you could also just hit this too to like turn all the lights on and off. What can you do right here again? I don't know. It's disabled right now, but like...
Well, it's disabled because the window's open. So that's the blind, I think. Yeah. You can run the blind from here.
And then you also have different lighting settings. So for instance, like movie, it dims everything down a little bit. Like sleep just pretty much turns everything off. Evening is really low light, and then morning is like a little bright.
Yeah.
And then this is where we sleep because we're children. We each get our own TV, which is really cool. We get to control our own air conditioning in this room when we like close the curtains and stuff. And then he gets a USB port right here along with 2 lights.
Okay.
I do not get a USB port up here.
Yeah, and there is not one up there.
Nope.
There's that light. Can you turn that light off and on from up there?
Yes, it's just like one of those clicky ones.
Okay.
Then here is also the same kind of light with like the reading light and stuff and a USB, even though that should be up there. But got 2 drawers right here.
Yep, 2 drawers. And then, which are full of clothes.
Yep, and then these do too.
Yeah, and the steps can fit stuff under them.
That's about it in here, I think.
Is that the doorbell speaker? What is that thing?
I think that is the doorbell speaker, to be honest.
Okay.
And then you get a giant chalkboard.
Heck yeah. And chalk.
And they wrote this themselves.
Yeah, they knew we were coming.
And then this controls the bathroom lights.
Bathroom lights.
So we got the first bathroom. This is where the toilet is. There's a sink in here. There's 2 plugs up here. One of the light switches is the mirror right here, and then one is just the regular light. We got all kinds of storage space. Actually, it's not really that much storage space, but there's another bathroom. And here's a light switch for this one. That doesn't come with the bathroom, but enough room.
But that's how big the shower is.
Yes. And you got another 2 plugs right here. Another sink. More storage. Shelves. You only get a hair and body wash, which is kind of weird. Yeah. No conditioner. Just hair and body wash, which that's kind of weird. So bring your own soap.
If you don't want to use that, I don't care. I'll use it, but yeah.
Now this mirror would be extra cool if there was lights around it.
Like this.
Yeah, kind of like this.
Yeah, like the door. That is neat in the door.
Yeah. So you get a USB right here, a plug right here. What's that?
That is a refrigerator for mom's medicine.
Right.
So they can accommodate that if you need a refrigerator, because the one in here is just a cooler. It doesn't keep anything very cold.
So you got some closet space for like dresses and stuff, and then shirts and pants. All of these drawers right here are kind of cool.
Yeah, little baskets.
Yeah. And then what is this box right here? Is that just a shelf?
Is it a safe?
It don't look like you can open it. And then mom's side also has the USB and no plug. No plug, yeah. And then we got the vanity. There are international. One right here.
110. Really, then we got a little cube and everything else plugged into it.
And then 2 USB.
Yeah, there's 2 USB-A's over here. Those are USB-C. We did have some on the shelf over there. We didn't say.
This one right here?
Yeah, one of them shelves.
Yeah, that one right there.
That one right there. That's USB-A. So in that shelf, you can charge your phones or charge stuff over there too.
And now we got a drawer with icon books.
And drawers, but they're all full. M&M's and ducks.
Yeah, oh, it's a cooler.
Cooler. Not very big. That's a water bottle in there, and ain't much more getting in there.
Nope. And then we got the balcony.
The balcony, yeah. Yeah, it's open. That's why the temperature, you can go ahead and start putting it up because it takes 2 years. That's why it's so warm in here, because the air conditioning, it was like 75 on the thermostat.
Yeah. So,
but there's such a good breeze in here. It feels so good.
Right here, but it's a little warm back there.
But yeah, it goes up.
Yeah.
Sometime today it goes up.
Yeah, it's very slow, and you have to hold.
Yeah, you have to hold it. It's not like you could just press it and it goes.
Now that you can.
No.
So that one, yeah, you can press, and you can run that from the
Front of
the little station.
That's it. We're not putting it up.
Yeah, but it does black out.
Yeah, it does.
It gets super dark.
Or you have got curtains too.
Yeah, and you have curtains here as well.
If you wanted to just close those and
Keep that open.
Yeah.
The chairs are really comfy. You've got a nice big table and a footstool. The floor is like a kind of like an indoor-outdoor rug type thing.
Yeah.
With the rubber.
A little texture to
Yeah,
it.
I like it.
I wish they had AC. I mean, I understand why it don't, but
Yeah.
I wish the AC would stay on. But I mean, then everybody had these open.
Kicked back on. No.
At least when they spray clean your window and stuff, you won't have water all over your deck and
Yeah.
stuff.
Also, I heard that they can run it from the bridge. They can close all these windows,
Oh, and clean them.
like storms or high wind conditions, whatever. They have the ability to
Master
close them.
button.
Yeah, they have a master button to close them all,
That's cool.
or disable them, so that people can't use them.
But it's got a good beachy vibe
Yeah.
to this room.
Yeah, it's nice. The artwork's nice. Got chalkboard. Can keep the little ones busy, but it definitely feels roomy.
And just having that hallway is really wide.
Yeah, the separate toilet and shower is very nice. Having the two sinks, I think I like it.
Yeah, it's probably my favorite room.
Yeah, it's very functional.
Especially having the 2 separate bathrooms.
Yes.
That's awesome.
But yeah, so there's our balcony infinity, whatever it's called,
Family
Family.
infinity. That's
Balcony.
balcony view.
infinite.
Infinite balcony.
Whatever. Look
There it is, 11700. Anyway,
That's still gonna be on camera. It's a 360, bro.
360. Sweet, and that's how we end it.
I've been doing
Thanks,
it all
buddy.
the time.
360 camera, you got caught.
That's the bad thing about it.
Yeah, super easy. All right.